we just like tonight. You know you wanna turn up, I can make you feel right all night. Tell me if you feel what I'm feeling, don't be scared. We ain't gotta rush, we can slow it.
What's up, YouTube? This your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, Sweetie Squad, what's up, my lovies? Happy Wednesday. All right, guys, I just did my ColourPop haul, and I had a giveaway announcement. So definitely check out that video. And guys, look who's near and dear right here around my neck. Miss E Banks, my honey bunny. Oh my God, I love this necklace. I'm never gonna take it off. I love it so much. Anyways, guys, we have a Morphe haul. You guys asked and requested it. Then we have a BH Cosmetics haul coming tomorrow. So guys, get ready. And right now, I just want to real quick just thank all my Sweetie Squad. I love you guys so much, to the moon and back. You guys are so amazing. And if you guys are new to the YouTube channel, what's up? I'm your girl Samantha Sweets. Please make sure you hit the subscription button below. Give it a click right here. Ring a ding 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 that bell. Turn your post notifications on. Why? Because I do giveaways, and right now I have a 2021 giveaway going on. The rules are very simple. You must be subscribed to my channel. Make sure you like on that video, and make sure you comment down below of that video that I will leave in the description box. Make sure you comment down below what is your #1 makeup product you cannot live without. Also, follow your girl on Instagram at SamanthaSweets100. Let's get into this Morphe haul. Okay, so Morphe is not normally one of my favorite brands. I'll be honest, it's not. But sometimes there's some good stuff. And they have sales. And there's Afterpay. So I picked up a couple of things. I think this is like a month-old haul. But hey, gotta get it out sometime. I also picked up, hold on one second. I'm telling you guys to hold on 1 second, like you guys are like on a phone. Okay, I also picked up the Nikita Dragon. I absolutely adore her so much. Her confidence is riveting, like amazing, mind-blowing. I picked this up. If you guys want to see a look, let me know. I know this has been out for a while now, but I did pick this up. So if you guys want to see a look, let me know in the comment section below. And then with that, I picked up the Nikita, I don't even know where my brushes went, but I picked up the brushes. Oh, here they go. Is this it? No, I don't know. But anyways, I picked up the Nikita brushes as well that I used when I did the Jeffree Star, was it Blood Money? Yeah, Blood Money review. So, okay. So the first thing from Morphe is this bag. And there better be brushes in here. Because I thought eye brushes. It was called the Eye Lust brushes. And there's brushes in here. And there was no brushes in my bag. So I returned it. Well, I didn't have to return the bag. They just gave me a refund. Okay, this right here is bomb. This is so pretty. I am so traveling with this bag now. Every time I travel, I am putting my brushes in here. This is so freaking pretty. And it says Morphe right here. Does it have a receipt? How much? Nope. I couldn't tell you how much I paid for it. Plus, all the stuff was on sale. Ooh, okay. So there are brushes. They are individual. This is good because I am so throwing out my old brushes. Okay, so this is the Jaclyn Hill. This is the Jaclyn Hill brush set. And we have here, ooh, they're kind of flat, but they don't say what they are, I don't think. Okay, yep, this is a shader brush. I love how they're individual. And then this is a blender. It's the blender brush. I never used Jaclyn Hill brushes. Let me know in the comment section below if you have. This is another shader brush. The heck? They sent me the same brush. Great. I'm probably missing a brush now. This is a buffer brush. A upper crease brush. And a chisel brush. So I'm excited to try these. Hopefully that extra one that I got was extra and it wasn't another brush that I'm missing. The only thing I don't like is that these are very flat now. I'm gonna have to somehow poof them back to life because, you know, they've been in this bag squished. So that's cool. I'll open those another day. Okay, the next thing I picked up was the Out A Pout Fiery Red. And I remember I bought this especially for Christmas and I never even used it. But Valentine's Day is right around the corner, so that's cool. I'll use it then. So it's all wrapped up in this. And I think this was only like $6. It was like 50% off or something. Ooh, okay. So you get a lip liner, you get the lip gloss, I guess, and a lipstick. That's nice. So here's what it looks like right here. Like a nice little red. And then we have Morphe. This is the gloss, I guess. I do like Morphe's glosses. This is in Hot Shot. And then this is a beautiful red. Fire truck red, baby. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay. Guess I got my Valentine's Day color. Very nice. Throw that in the trash area. Okay. The next thing that I got was a Jeffree Star gloss. And it's in sequin glass. I don't know what it even looks like. I really don't remember this haul. Oh, maybe I should do it like this. Ooh, that's pretty. So it's like this, I don't know, I want to try this. It kind of looks like it's going to go with my outfit. Ooh, that's very pretty. So it's like, it's clear kind of, but with purple and blue flecks. That is so pretty. And it does match. It matches my shirt perfectly, honestly. Okay, cool. That was fun. Okay. So we got another Jeffree Star gloss. Okay. And then I picked up Morphe 10G Glisten Up palette, I guess. I do not remember this haul. Ugh, can't open it. I still want to go get my nails done so bad. And I can't. Okay. I think I read the reviews on this and that's why I got this, because it was so good. Ooh, that's pretty. So it's kind of like a cute little rainbow glitter palette. And look at the glitter. Ooh, green. I love green glitter. And blue. Ooh, this is going to be fun to play with. Definitely a taste the rainbow kind of palette. So that's cool to have, you know, whenever you need like a real colorful look. This palette is my go-to now. Okay, we got another brush set. It looks like it goes with the Glisten palette. This is the 6-piece Better World brush collection. First off, let's talk about the brush bag. Love the iridescentness. Very pretty. And I hope these brushes are good. Let's just say. Yes! I can tell you I'm going to like these brushes. I can already tell you. I love, my favorite brush is a Morphe brush, but I can't find it ever again. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I might have spoke too soon. Is this a crease brush? I mean, they're soft. They're very soft. Is this a... See what I mean? Like, this is too big to like, well, I miss my Morphe brush. I need to somehow find a replacement because I love that brush. Like, that is my go-to brush. So, but this is good. This is good to have. I really needed some brushes. So, I got that. Okay. And I think this is the last thing. Looks like it's the last thing. I picked up the 35XO Natural Flirt palette. So apparently this had amazing reviews. That's why I got it. I don't know if this was somebody's collab or something, like a YouTuber's or something. I don't really remember. But I picked it up because of, look at the colors. Oh, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. It is beautiful. It is like exactly the colors that I use on a daily basis. And I love how they have it in browns, lights, and then all these beautiful purples right here. And then even a loose glitter. Well, a pressed glitter. And that's kind of like what I have on my eyes right now is a pressed glitter. Wow. This is so pretty. I can't wait to play with this. Yeah. This you need in your life. If you like colors like this, you need this in your life. This is the Natural Flirt palette. This is so pretty. They should have released this around freaking Valentine's Day. It would have sold like hotcakes. I don't know how long this has been around though, so maybe it did come out on Valentine's. But anyways, guys, that was my Morphe haul. Let me know if you have any of these products, okay? Because I have not tried any of these products. So let me know if you have any of this stuff. And the BH Cosmetics haul will be coming tomorrow. So I will see you guys on my next video. As always, stay beautiful, stay blessed. I'm your girl, Samantha Sweets. I love y'all. Bye.
Tonight, you know you wanna turn up. I can make you feel right.